Today I'm here once again with you where I'll be discussing about two different apps that are used by NEET PG aspirants for their preparation, that is Marrow versus PrepLadder. I was getting a lot of queries regarding this as to which app is best for their preparation. So I thought let's buzz this confusion quickly. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, I'll talk about the videos. The videos of both the apps are really nice and they are recorded by some of the really renowned faculties. For example, Dr. Rohan Khandelwal sir, Dr. Ela Jain ma'am in Marrow, and in PrepLadder you have Dr. Sparsh Gupta sir for pathology and Dr. Gobind Rai Garg for pharmacology and many more. Also, if you talk about videos, the videos in PrepLadder are quite crisp and concise, and if you are someone who wanted to finish their syllabus early and who don't have enough time in their hand, they can take PrepLadder because they are very small videos and you will be able to finish that in a less amount of time. While in Marrow it will take a lot of time to complete a video and you need a lot of time in your hand. So yeah, talking about the MCQs, in Marrow you have about 18,000 MCQs in the app. And when you talk about Marrow particularly, when you solve one MCQ in the Marrow, you are actually solving 4 different MCQs. And when I say this, I actually mean it because, for example, if you take an example of cyanotic heart disease, which of the following is not an example of congenital heart disease or congenital cyanotic heart disease? So in Marrow, what they'll do is they'll give you the answer of that particular MCQ. They'll explain it while they'll explain you the other 3 options also, and you will be able to finish the whole topic in that particular MCQ, and that's really great thing in Marrow. But in PrepLadder, it's not the case. Like they will just name the different heart diseases, others. Like they won't explain in the depth, but they'll explain in the depth to that particular MCQ only, like to a particular answer. So yeah, that is in PrepLadder. So yeah, I guess Marrow is a win-win for me in this case. Now, if you talk about pearls of Marrow, when I say pearls, I really means वो मोती हैं, because when I was in my preparatory phase in the last few days, you won't be able to understand like क्या पढ़ना है, like इतना ज़्यादा vast syllabus होता है and you won't be able to understand कि what to study and what to not. So what I did was I just read that pearl part in that MCQ in the last days of my preparation, and it came out to be quite well. Like I was able to revise one subject in just few hours, and that's really great, I guess. But in PrepLadder also you will have those revision parts, like they'll provide you with the revision of all the subjects all together. So yeah, in PrepLadder also that's really great. But if you take my opinion, I particularly like Marrow more in that case. And yeah, so Marrow is great. Also, if you talk about price range, the price of Marrow is about 32k approx, and you can extend it to a duration of about 2 years. While in PrepLadder, you can extend it to the duration of about 6 years, and that's really great. Coming to the coming to the notes. Okay, notes of both the apps are great. I won't comment on that particular part. Both the apps have really great notes, and the thing is that PrepLadder will give you that advantage. Like if you want to buy a particular subject note, you can buy. But in Marrow, you have to buy a complete set of notes. They won't provide you with the thing that you can only buy a particular, subject notes. So yeah, you have to buy a complete set in case of Marrow. Now, if you ask me, which app to purchase in which year, so I would say if you are someone who's in first and second year and you have a lot of time in your hand, you can go for Marrow. And when I say this, I don't mean that you don't read your standard textbooks. Keep on reading your standard textbook because nothing can beat your standard textbooks. And when I say that, I am saying this because I was someone who did not read standard textbook when I was in first year. So I would recommend you to please go through your standard textbooks because nothing can beat that. Plus, you can take it as an add-ons. Like if you are someone who is reading a particular topic from your book and you just come back to your hostel and room and you can solve those MCQs from the app and watch the video. So it would be little convenient for you in that way. Also, both the apps will provide you with integrated sessions. Integrated sessions as such won't be there in the app, but they'll provide you with the link in their app, and you can directly go to the YouTube and you can watch that. So yeah, that's great in both the apps. Baki, if you are someone who is lacking with time, who is in hectic internship and who don't have enough time in their hand, they can go with the PrepLadder. PrepLadder is also great in their own way, and PrepLadder will provide you with a thing, ask a doubt. So yeah, you can directly ask a question with the faculty. So yeah, that way PrepLadder holds really good. Also, if you take my opinion, I would say both apps are really great. It depends on your dedication, your hard work, how sincere you are to your work. And I guess it's not a compulsion that एक ही तुम ले लो, कोई ऐप तुमको लेना ही है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, then only you would succeed. It's nothing like that. You can succeed without any app. It's just that your dedication, your hard work, your smart work. None of the app, none of the coaching institute guarantee you success. And my opinions about these both apps are not sponsored. It's just that I am speaking my heart, what I feel it. I hope it helps you in any way. If it does, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Also, there are many videos which are lined up, so I'm so sorry if something went wrong in making of this video, because I'm new to this platform and I'm still in the learning phase. So yeah, I hope you'll forgive me. Also hit the bell icon, and yeah, I'll see you very soon in the next video.